Hey on Wall Street, Willie, what is a Roth IRA? A Roth IRA is a type of tax-advantaged individual retirement account, IRA, that you fund with money you have already paid taxes on. This means you don't get a tax deduction for your contributions, but your money grows tax-free, and you can withdraw your money, including all the earnings, completely tax-free in retirement. This is the opposite of a traditional IRA, where you contribute pre-tax money and pay taxes in retirement. Roth IRAs are a popular option, as anybody can contribute as long as they have earned income and are within the income requirement. How does a Roth IRA work? With a Roth IRA, you contribute post-tax earned income, which includes salary, wages, bonus, tips, profit from business, etc. Rent, social security benefits, investment income, alimony, unemployment benefits, etc. don't qualify as earned income. The money can then grow in your Roth IRA tax-free, and when you are ready to withdraw the money in retirement, you don't need to pay any taxes. Simply opening your Roth IRA will not make your money grow. After you open and fund the account, you will need to choose the securities you want to invest in. The investment options could be stocks, bonds, CDs, mutual funds, index funds, ETFs, etc. Roth IRA can be opened at a bank, credit union, or a brokerage that offers IRAs, but brokerages are the more popular choice as they offer a variety of investment options. Can kids have a Roth IRA? If your child has earned income, you can open a custodial Roth IRA for them. Once they turn 18 or 21, they will assume ownership of the account. This can really help them take advantage of compounding due to the long time horizon and reap tax benefits, especially because they are more likely to be in a higher tax bracket in retirement. Is a Roth IRA right for me? That's a great question. Find out by watching the video on your screen. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.